There's a spotted neck dove. Up close and personal almost. It looks like it's young. It's only about 2 metres from me. Oh, sorry guys, it's a bit shaky. Oh, it's still there. There's Lissy. Hey Lissy, don't you chase that birdie now. Hey Lissy, are you sky watching with me? Oh good, she didn't chase the bird. Oh, that's good. I don't want her to scare the birds away. No, she's just gone back inside. Huh? That's good. Hello little bird. You come to visit Dolly? Probably not. Well, you'd be over near, you'd be closer. Don't move. Sorry guys. Oh, I did freak it off. There it is, it's on the fence. I didn't mean to scare it. I just wanted to get a better picture. There's our sky. It's about 3:30 in the afternoon, I think, or 4 maybe. Oh, the little birds just flown off. The birds are beautiful to hear. I'm just out here having a coffee, catching some fresh air, a little bit of sky watching. It's starting to get a little bit cool now in the afternoons. Oh, there's our girl. Hey Lissy, Lissy, say hello. There. I've had to cut a lot of the birds off. Are we sky watching, Lissy? Are we bird watching and sky watching? What you watching, Lissy? So sky watching with Susan and Lissy. Lissy! Hey Lissy! Say hello to the good people. Sky watching. Beautiful clouds. Beautiful sunset. There's some dark clouds. I hope you can hear the birds. Other than Dolly. Hold on a sec. Dolly! Hey! You doing some bird watching and sky watching with me, hey? Yes, Dolly, you want to talk? Not you, Lissy. Oh, you can if you want, but... Oh, look at these clouds over here. Oh, wow. Check out the sky over here. It's really unique. Oh, there's a Maggie that I missed. Sorry, made you all dizzy. Lissy? what? Oh, she's hearing other dogs barking, and I think she's... Oh, aren't you a big Doberman? Yes, you are. Unique sky. Look at these beautiful clouds. I say beautiful. Beautiful also means unique, interesting. Look at that sunset. And I haven't got, I don't do filters or anything. So what you're seeing is basically sort of kind of what I'm seeing. Yeah. Listen to those beautiful birds. It's nice. Nice afternoon with my cuppa. Alright guys, well happy Monday. And yeah, I'll catch you soon. Time for me to finish my coffee. Okay. See you all later. Take care. Love to all. Bye guys.